You think you've won. You escaped the 9 to 5. You're building your brand. You're independent. But while you're posting photos of your laptop on the beach, there's a question gnawing at your gut at 3 a.m. What happens when I'm 70 and I can't hustle anymore? Imagine you're a silk merchant in 15th century Florence. You aren't a prince, you're a hustler. You've spent 30 years dodging pirates and negotiating with smugglers. Your back is destroyed, your eyesight is failing by candlelight. If you stop working, the money stops. There is no social security, no pension, just two options. Work until you die at your desk, or beg on the street. It is the ultimate creator's nightmare. Your energy is your currency, and time is the one trade route you can't negotiate with. It's like being a YouTuber who knows the algorithm is about to forget them, but instead of losing views, you lose the ability to eat. So, how did they survive? They didn't wait for a government handout. They built a piece of financial technology that history books ignored. They called it the Guild. Now, forget the labor union definition. The medieval guild wasn't just about price fixing. It was a mandatory survivalist insurance scheme. Listen closely. V War Chest. Here is the four-step system they used to guarantee they wouldn't die broke. Listen closely because this is your blueprint. Step 1. The entry fee. To become a master, you paid a massive lump sum. This wasn't a fee, it was buying shares in a collective war chest, a capital injection for your future survival. Step 2. The disability protocol. If you got sick or injured, the Guild Fund paid your medical bills and supported your family. It was catastrophe insurance you couldn't opt out of. They knew that one bad week could wipe out a lifetime of work. Step 3. Phased retirement. As you aged, you didn't stop, you pivoted. You went from hauling cargo to mentoring apprentices. You shifted from earning with your back to earning with your brain. You built equity in the system so the system paid you back. Step 4. The almshouse. If you reached old age alone, the Guild funded your housing and food, not charity, contractual obligation. They institutionalized what your willpower fails to do. They made saving automatic and protection mandatory. They forced you to be smart when you were young, so you could be safe when you were old. Fast forward 600 years, you are the medieval merchant. The risks are identical. The solution should be identical. But you don't have a guild master forcing you to pay dues. You have to build your own guild. The entry fee, that's your 6-month emergency fund, non-negotiable. The dues, that's your auto transfer to a solo 401k the moment you get paid. The safety net, that's your disability and life insurance. Not sexy, but necessary. The phased retirement, that's building assets that pay you while you sleep. Digital products, rental income, dividends. Stop trying to save coins in a chest. Build a workshop that runs without you. The medieval merchant had a brotherhood to keep him disciplined. You have the mirror. Stop waiting for a corporate parent to save you. Stop doom-scrolling Reddit threads. Start acting like the guildmaster of your own life. The entry fee is due. Are you going to pay it? Or are you going to end up the proud, broke merchant begging for charity? Your first contribution starts today. If you're ready to build your guild, hit subscribe. We're building the new system right here.